Hi, I'm Connor from JCC Lighting, and today I'm going to provide an overview of our Toughbay microwave sensor and remote control. LED lighting has massively reduced energy usage compared to previous technologies. However, there's still the opportunity to increase efficiency by the use of occupancy sensors. Our industrial range Toughbay comes with an optional microwave sensor and remote control to ensure areas that are unoccupied or have low footfall don't use unnecessary energy. Industrial lights are usually installed at great heights. This will require a cherry picker to access them and maintain them. This results in a lot of downtime in surrounding areas, which can decrease productivity. To help with this issue, we have launched our Toughbay microwave remote. Our remote control allows you to adjust the settings from ground level. The detection area setting allows you to adjust the sensitivity of where the sensor is triggered. The standby dim level is the minimum brightness that the fitting will remain at after no movement is detected. The hold time is the length of time the luminaire remains at full brightness before dimming or turning off. The standby period is the length of time the fitting remains at a dim brightness before switching off. The daylight sensor allows you to select the ambient light level that is required before the luminaire switches on with microwave detection. Also, on the remote, there are 3 quick settings. Please ensure that the detection switch is set to the correct distance between you and the sensor. For further information, please either get in touch or refer to the remote control instruction sheet enclosed in the box. I'm now going to change the settings to provide an example. I'm going to change the detection area to 25%, the hold time to 5 seconds, the standby period to 10 seconds, the standby dim level to 10%, and leave the daylight sensor disabled. I'm now going to leave the area, and as you'll notice, the fitting will remain at 100% illumination for 5 seconds. It will then enter a standby period at 10% brightness for 10 seconds and then turn off. As I re-enter the detection area, the fitting will then turn on at 100%. For more of these videos, please visit our YouTube channel or contact us directly.